Hello and welcome back to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2011 Hot Wheels. Today we have from the Mania series the 69 Dodge Coronet Super B. It's number 110 of 244 in the year and number 10 of 10 in the Mania series. Look for all the 2011 vehicles. Here's some of the series you can get. 2010 copyright. Let's get this lime green car out of the package. What do we have here? Instant win play game. Well, we know it's outdated, but let's just take a look real quick. It's a .com. You gotta go type in your number and see if you won. But that's from 2011, so we're not gonna get all in a frenzy over it. Ooh, this is beautiful. All four wheels roll well. And look at that. That is just one beauty ride. Steering is on the left. This Dodge. Plastic bottom. Made in Malaysia, this car. And that all green and black is metal. Let's see how it rolls. We still have the Volvo out there. Oh, very smooth. Liking that. Woohoo! Backwards seems to roll best while I'm squeezing it. Forwards, backwards, no squeeze. Let's see. Backwards squeeze. Oh, nothing seems to be working right now. My daughter Julia joining me. Hello, Jules.
Hi.
Getting ready to drift this car right here.
Really?
And it is a perfect drift on the first try. You want to try it?
Sure. Oh.
And it's gonna land right on the line. Sweet. Oh, look at that. Kind of towed the line. Yeah, I did the same thing you did. Whoop. I'm going to try doing a donut one. Go ahead.
Oh.
Oh, that was actually kind of cool, even though it didn't go far. Watch this. Ready? See if we can strike a pose. Ready? Wow, nice. Coming your way. Woohoo!
It's a nice drifter.
Kinda.
Yeah.
It kinda is. It's fun to play with. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out. And Julia, thanks for coming here just in time to play.
You're welcome.
And please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Thanks for watching the whole video. Nice look at it right there. And until next time, T10 out.
Bye.
Thanks, Jules.